Hello, dear children. Good morning. Children, today I am going to start with the hard words of your lesson 8, our government. All of you open lesson 7 notes, our government. See the hard words, children. First one, democracy. DEMOCRACY, democracy. DEMOCRACY, democracy. DEMOCRACY, democracy. Second one, franchise. FRANCHISE, franchise. FRANCHISE, franchise. Next one, constitution. CONSTITUTION, constitution. CONSTITUTION, constitution. CONSTITUTION, constitution. Next one, territories. TERRITORIES, territories. TERRITORIES, territories. TERRITORIES, territories. Next one, enforces. ENFORCES, enforces. ENFORCES, enforces. Next one, interprets. INTERPRETS, interprets. INTERPRETS, interprets. Next one, coalition. COALITION, coalition. COALITION, coalition. COALITION, coalition. Next one, summities. SAMITIS, summities. SAMITIS, summities. SAMITIS, summities. Next one, municipalities. MUNICIPALITIES, municipalities. MUNICIPALITIES, municipalities. MUNICIPALITIES, municipalities. Next one, judgment. JUDGMENT, judgment. JUDGEMENT, judgment. Again, I am going to repeat hard words, children. You to read along with me. Democracy, democracy, democracy. Franchise, franchise, franchise. Constitution, constitution, constitution. Territories, territories, territories. Enforces, enforces, enforces. Interprets, interprets, interprets. Coalition, coalition, coalition. Summities, summities, summities. Municipalities, municipalities, municipalities. Judgment, judgment, judgment. Next, meanings, children. See the first one. Legislature. LEGISLATURE. Legislature means it is the law making body. Legislature is the law making body. Legislature is the law making body. Next one, executive. EXECUTIVE, executive means it is the law implementing body. Legislative will make the law, whereas executive will implement the body. Next, judiciary. Judiciary. Judiciary means it is the system of court that applies the law. It is the system of court that applies the law. Next one is election. Election means the process of voting a person to office. The process of voting a person to office is said to be election. Next, universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise means the right to vote exercised by the citizens of India. The right to vote that is exercised by the citizens of India is called as universal adult franchise. Next one, general election. General election means countrywide elections held to elect members of Lok Sabha. Countrywide elections held to elect the members of Lok Sabha are said to be general elections. Next, hierarchy. Hierarchy means an arrangement in a series according to a rank. Hierarchy means it's an arrangement of series according to their rank. Again, I am going to repeat meanings. Children, you to read along with me. Legislature, it is the law making body. Executive, it is the law implementing body. Judiciary, it is the system of court that applies the law. Fourth one, election, the process of voting a person to office. Next, universal adult franchise, the right to vote exercised by the citizens of India. Next, general elections, countrywide elections held to elect members of Lok Sabha. Next, hierarchy, an arrangement in a series according to a rank. Next, see the fill in the blanks, children. India is the world's largest dash. India is the world's largest democracy. India is the world's largest democracy. Next one, dash is the process of voting a person to office. Dash is the process of voting a person to office. Election. Election is the process of voting a person to office. Next, central government is commonly known as the dash government. Central government is commonly known as the union government. Next, members of the parliament belongs to several dash. Members of the parliament belongs to several political parties. Members of the parliament belongs to several political parties. Next, dash and other ministers of the state government comprise the executive at the state level. The governor, the chief minister and other ministers of the state government comprise the executive at the state level. So these are the fill in the blanks meanings and hard words, children. Once go through the today's video and read hard words, meanings and fill in the blanks properly and note them 2 times in your homework books. Okay. Bye children. Thank you.